In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zillow not loading on Chrome Desktop 2026 guide. If Zillow is stalling, showing a blank page, or just refusing to open in Chrome, it usually comes down to two things: an unstable internet connection or temporary browser data that's gotten corrupted over time. We'll walk through two quick resets that solve the vast majority of cases. Start with your connection, then refresh Chrome's stored data, and you should be back to scrolling maps and listings in minutes. First, verify your internet stability. Open a new tab and head to speedtest.net. Zillow's maps, images, and interactive elements are fairly heavy, so a slow or spotty link can make it seem like the site is broken when it's really the connection. Run the test and look for consistent download and upload speeds, not just peak numbers. Next, try loading a couple of other popular sites. If multiple pages time out or crawl, the issue is likely with your router or your internet provider, not Chrome. In that case, a quick router restart often helps. If you can, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable test. Once your connection looks steady, try Zillow again. If the network checks out but Zillow still won't load, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. In the window that appears, set the time range to all time so you remove any outdated code that might be tripping Zillow up. Check only cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You don't need to clear your browsing history for this fix. When you're ready, click Clear Data. Keep in mind this will sign you out of most websites, so plan to log back into your Zillow account afterward. This process won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords unless you explicitly select those, which we're not doing here. Now reload and test. Close any Zillow tabs you already had open, then open a fresh Chrome window. In the address bar, type zillow.com manually and press Enter. Give the page a moment to fully load the homepage, maps, and listing photos. With a stable connection and a clean cache, Zillow should display normally without blank panels or endless loading. And that's it. By confirming your network and refreshing Chrome's stored data, you've cleared the most common hurdles that keep Zillow from loading on desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.